In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use custom forms on Systeme.io. And I created this tool a while ago because I was just tired of Systeme.io not having a custom form builder. So I actually created it. It's called System Vibe. So you can go to systemvibe.com and you can access this. And there's going to be various tools. Right now we have form build. There's an image slider as well. You can add the carousel and stuff in your images that are animated. There's going to be interactive quizzes, scroll animations, so many other tools. And the benefit of using systemvibe.com is I have this referral system that you can actually generate leads using this. Well, I'm going to show you this towards the end of the video. Quickly, I'm just going to go over the form builder. I'm not going to go on how to actually install it and use it, because if you go and see this video here, how to use a form builder, it's an in-depth training where you can see exactly from how to use it, how to install it, and how to activate it on your Systeme.io account. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over the features so you understand exactly what it is and how it can benefit you. So this is the form here. So you'll be able to add different types of fields, from text inputs, single choice options, multiple choice, even drop downs and other stuff. You can even drag and drop them. Right. So that's pretty cool. You can preview this. So see how it's going to look. You can see it's a very nice looking form. And what's cool about this is we're not using third-party tools like Zapier or these other integrations to actually send it into Systeme.io. What we do is we create custom fields. So on Systeme.io, if you go into a contact, you'll be able to add custom fields here. You can just click this, add a field here, and you'll be able to import data in there. Now you're probably wondering, how do we do this, right? So I do recommend, if you want to use this, sign up. It's free to join. Watch that video and it's going to teach you how to do it. But if you really want to understand how it works, once we go to integrations, each one of these fields has a specific custom name field, you could say. And here it gives you the ones you need to set up. It tells you to create an inline form, which it's a separate page type within Systeme.io. You input those custom fields there, and then you grab the code that Systeme gives you, you paste it in here, and it's going to give you a code like this. You just copy this and paste this code anywhere you want to have this form in. And what's cool is you can actually see the submissions here. So if you end up getting lost on the way between here and Systeme.io, you can always just at least have them here. And what's even better is we can actually use the workflows to send personalized emails. So let's say you get a submission, we can go in here and let's say choose an edit. We can actually get the custom fields that are being sent via Systeme Vibe into your Systeme.io account and use those here. So in this case, these are all the custom that we can use. So as soon as we create some new ones, let's say we're collecting the biggest problem, we could just copy that, paste it in here, and the submission that they submitted will be replaced here. So again, I'm not going to go deep into how to do that, since there's an in-depth video on how to use that in the help center. And a quick plug for me here is, if you are watching this video, you're probably using Systeme.io. I do have a free training within my Skool community. It's called Systeme Mastery Advanced, which I go over Systeme Vibe, show you how to use it here as well. Plus I give you code and other resources that you can use to maximize Systeme.io, right? From making money to adding animations to even watch me build out these pages. So you can access that. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can use that as well. Now let's go back into Systeme Vibe. Again, I wanted to make this as a way not only to give you value with tools and resources, but also helping you generate leads using this tool. So if you go to referrals, you'll be able to read more about the referral program, but I want to make it super unique. So what happens here is you can just grab your affiliate ID from Systeme.io, come and add it here, click save, and you're going to get a unique referral link. You can use this link to send to people who you think use Systeme.io or would benefit from these tools. And you're probably wondering, like, what's in it for me, right? What's in it for you if you share it? So first is you collect their email. So you can use this as a lead magnet. You can send it to somebody, they sign up, and now you have their email and name here that you can actually import into your CRM, your Systeme.io account, high-level account, wherever it is that you send an email, and follow up with them with your offers. I do have a consent box as soon as they sign up, but for the majority of part, I think like 95% of them click yes. Here's just an example. It said no, but if they say no, I do have you respect their privacy. And you can read more about how it works here on this text here. But that's one benefit, right? One of them is you collect their email so you can follow up with them with your offers. So meaning you can use it as a lead magnet. The other cool thing here is throughout the platform, you see this top bar at the very top. So anybody that signs up via your URL, these links here are actually going to be replaced with your affiliate link, right? So let's say they want to save on a startup plan. If they click on this, your affiliate ID, because we already have it attached in the referral system, it's going to be attached to this link. So not only were we able to generate leads by giving this away for free to other people, but you might even be able to generate commissions from Systeme.io if they upgrade using any one of these links here. And every time your referral logs in here, they're going to see this top bar and you're always going to be in there. All right. So the more people you refer, the more emails you get and the more possible commission you can get as well. All right. So I'm going to leave it at that. And I just want to share the form builder, but I want to share this crazy benefit that you have just by using Systeme Vibe. And again, it's free. All right. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be releasing way more videos here pretty soon on different tools and resources that you can use for automating your funnels. And if you want the resources shown, I'm going to link them down below so you can access them easily. All right. So that's it. See you guys in the next video.